Is the time not displaying correctly on your Apple Watch, or do you need to change it manually to a different time? In this video, I'll show you how to change the time that displays on your watch from the Settings app on your iPhone, and then at the end, how to adjust the time on the watch itself. First, the correct way to do this is by using the Settings app on your iPhone. Because the watch mirrors your iPhone's time settings, this way is how you can get your watch to show what you want. An example of why you may be doing this is if you're crossing a time zone and your watch didn't update, or if you just want to be synced up to a different time zone. Start by opening the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and choose General. Next, tap Time and Date halfway down the screen. By default, this should be set to set automatically, and in most situations, this is what you'd want. But like I said earlier, if your time isn't syncing correctly, or maybe you just want to adjust it manually, then you can turn this off. When you disable the auto feature, you can then manually choose the date and time by tapping and making your adjustments. And as you do, you'll see that the time on your watch will adjust at the same time. Once you make your changes, you can then just close settings. Now there is another way to adjust the time displayed on your watch using the watch itself. This way is a little bit different though, and only allows you to set the clock up to 59 minutes ahead. This may seem odd, but I'm a person that has set their clock ahead 15 minutes so that I have a better chance of being on time somewhere. So this would be useful in a situation like that. To do this, on your watch, press the crown on the right. Inside of the app menu, find and then choose Settings. Inside of Settings, scroll down until you see Clock and then choose that. Here at the top, you'll see the plus time option. Choose that and then use the crown again to scroll the amount that you want to add to your watch time. Again, you can only go up to 59 minutes ahead. Also, changing this won't affect the time that's shown on your iPhone. When you're done, confirm by tapping the check mark and then pressing the crown again twice to get back to your watch face. You'll then see that the time has been adjusted to the amount that you've added. And that's how you change the time displayed on your Apple Watch.